Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to cloudy Da Nang. Second day of rain. Wow. But hey, check this out. I think we dodged a storm. So I saw it online, and there is a storm right now close to Haiphong. Maybe even the north, Hanoi, I'm not sure. Check this out. I always use just the weather app to see where are the storms right now. I can see, okay, it's at Haiphong at the moment. And that's why also it rains here probably. It's usually the case if somewhere a typhoon goes or a storm, and then around that area, around the country, wherever it goes, it's more rain, like yesterday. Today, it's actually nice. I really enjoy this weather so much. It's like a perfect walk weather. WW. Oh, I love it. Yeah, this is gonna be uploaded today. So this is the weather from today. If you're asking yourself when this was recorded, it's recorded today. The videos that are coming out the next few days are recorded a few days ago. So then it was probably still sunny. But this is also, I don't do a daily weather update here. I'm doing walking tours and showing how the neighborhood looks. But if I do a weather update, it's usually on the same day. So I'm also writing there. This is a weather update. And it's the whole neighborhood looks a little bit creepy, guys. I just drove by the Doba Street, and it was completely, every single pavement is cracked open. It's kind of crazy though. It's really crazy how it looks right now. And I'm a little bit worried that they changing the pavements everywhere. Yeah. It's, if I would live in the street, I think it's unlivable at the moment. But I will show you. Maybe I will show you. We're in the Antung 34th Street right now, or 33. And those are the bikes you can ride without a license, guys. It always have to say light. Okay? Light. And they cannot go faster than 45 kilometers an hour. And this is like, if you only see Feliz, then you cannot ride it without a license. But if it's Feliz light, then you can. At least that's what I understood. Because the Feliz, the normal one, drives actually 80 kilometers an hour or something like that. It's strong, a lot of watts, yeah, electric power. But the light versions are always weaker, but bigger, so it's actually nice. Raon Hotel. There's so many electric bikes now. It's crazy. But actually you don't need more than this small bike. If you're not a big guy, no need, and you just want to drive around the neighborhood, or you actually want to live somewhere else and not in the Antung area because it's not livable at the moment, I would just take a bike like that. With beachfront hotels, it should be okay, but there's also lots of construction going on. But the bigger problem is the road work, what they're doing right now. And it's very interesting to see specific cafes, the demographic. I feel like they're only domestic tourists at the moment in all the cafes. I would love to see some statistics on how many foreigners are here at the moment. Oh, look at this, what's going on over there? It looks like there's a roof, or is it not done yet? What does that mean? Furama Dining House? Oh. I'm so excited when this is going to be done. It's going to be a super stylish building. Maybe it's going to be an apartment building. Who knows? Who's screaming here? My God. It's getting taller and taller, the building. Crazy to see. Wow. For everyone who's scared of the heat, today and the next few days it's gonna be very nice. And if you're here for vacation, try to do all kinds of sightseeing right now. This is the time for sightseeing. This is the time to try out nice street food. This is the time for doing everything you can do when the sun is out again. Believe me, do it now. This is great. It does not look good, but it is great. It's just, yeah, you don't get sunburned, no burnings, not sweating so much. It's good. So this is the Dover Street. This is the problem child here at the moment, but it's actually not that bad here and this strip, but I'm gonna show you soon. It's gonna be very, very, very bad. And when it's raining, I think it's at the moment super problematic. But there's probably a reason why they do it. It doesn't look like they put in the cables underground, but it more looks like maybe some road works to get the pipes better, or I don't know. Maybe preparation for the rainy season. One thing they also do every year, which is very smart and good to do, they trim the bushes. They trim the trees. They trim it, and it's very important because if the storms are arriving here, and check this out. You see this bush, or not bush, this tree, okay? If this tree is not trimmed properly, it will rip apart all these cables when the storm comes, you know? So, at the moment I think they're gonna go through the neighborhood very soon, because the first storm of the year entered the East Sea, so. It's usually still summertime and everything is fine, but end of July, what is end of July? August, yeah. The first few storms can hit the coastline, like every year. Last year, no storm hit Da Nang directly, but the rain around it hit it bad. And Hoi An was flooded, and a lot of places south from here were flooded. And I think Hue is flooded always, but yeah, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. This street, I'm glad they're working on it, but this is very bad at the moment. It's like you basically, you gotta be fit now. You gotta have proper footwear. It's like all ripped open. And because of that, a lot of motorbikes cannot enter the pavement, right? And then they're standing on the streets. And that will cause a lot of traffic. Junction. Check this out, guys. So this is what they're doing right now. The whole Dover Street. At least they're working on it. They're pouring some cement in now. But yeah, I don't know when is the time to do this, but I guess they had to do it. But if you're just coming into Da Nang now, this might be very it will look bad. It will look very bad. So this is what they did. They put cement there. Interesting. And they just rebuilt the pavement, I guess. And it's absolutely not possible to walk here at the moment. It's like a big mess. And combined with all the other construction, yeah, this neighborhood, it's not recommendable at the moment. If I would live in this street, I would be very pissed. Yeah. But at least it's not that, it's actually good that it rained. All the dust that came up here went down. We need more rain, I think. Think about it. They just opened this up with a huge jackhammer. Look how much dust went out. And this is pretty much everywhere. I saw the same thing going on in Soncha too. But at least we have some new pavement things. Hopefully they make it nice and beautiful and structured. I'm always down for some nice new pavement improvements here. But it looks very bad, guys. It looks very bad. And I'm a little bit worried about my favorite Ban Khun place. They opened their pavement and they kept it like that for at least 2 weeks now. It looks like this. And I'm very worried that they're gonna run out of business and I'm like losing the #1 Ban Khun in my life. I mean, I have the guys, he's from Hanoi. I have his Zello. Maybe I should text him. If he needs something from me, I will give it to him. Everything he wants. He cannot go out of business, guys. This is the absolute best Ban Khun in the world, okay? So, fingers crossed. I think it's very popular too, so a lot of locals go there in the morning. So if you want to go and have it empty, go in the afternoon. They're also closing at 2, but at the moment it's not open. Ugh. I really missed it so much. I need to find a second alternative for these times when they're closing. Or maybe they're just on holiday. They deserve it. They're always there. But as you can see, this is the area where they actually repaired it already. So here there's a new pavement. Look at this. It's a good entrance to the pavement here. Sometimes it does not make sense, but this time it's good. Pavement and zebra stripes. I just don't understand this thing here. It looks like it's gonna rain again today. No sun. That's okay. The next video will also be a walk on the same day, but then we're gonna have some sunny walks again. Oh, look at this, there's a Mustang. It's so rare here. Because I think a Mustang has to be imported. You cannot get it built here or something. Alright guys, so with this, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next walk. Look at this beautiful pavement. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Check out this video, yeah.